Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. Today I'm going to put down the third application of the Sunday Lawn program here on the backyard. Now, this is a 1502. This is supposed to help with the heat stress that the lawn is going through right now. And, you know, help it out this tough time. We could all use that right now, right? The lawn is no different. It's looking all right here. It's looked better, so hopefully this helps out. Let's get to spraying. Got some mushrooms here, no big deal. Looks like my sprayer is starting to leak a little bit. You can always contact Sunday to get a new one if you have issues with it. So, like I said, this is 1502, and it also provides nutrients to help out with the summer heat. So, got some bent grass back here. It's not looking so hot. I haven't watered like I normally do, and we haven't had a lot of rain lately either. So, we do have some rain possibly coming today. 70% chance of like scattered showers here in the afternoon. So, I'd like to get this Capri Sun for the lawn put down and have Mother Nature water it in. So let's get spraying. Pouch covers, at least these ones anyway, cover 3,000 square feet. So this pouch will cover the whole backyard. And then I have another pouch that I'll use up in the front, but I won't show you that. I'll just get the backyard here. Just take your time, nice and slow, and get it all put down. See, there's a little window on the pouch here. Tells you how much you've gone through. So we've done half of the yard, halfway done with the bag. All right, all done. The Sunday Lawn Capri Sun Heat Helper, 1502. Hold on to your sprayer. I got to do the front yet with the other pouch, but I should have time before it rains here, so that should be good. And I'll have one more box after this that comes with the the stuff in the fall. Get things ready for the winter, So far doing pretty good here in the back with just the Sunday lawn treatment. So no major complaints. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Here's how the those wildflowers that I got from the Sunday Lawn program. That's these growing in this bed here. Starting to get some flowers there. It looks pretty cool.